Hi, thanks so much for visiting. So if you are looking for a new kitchen or bathroom, I'm going to show you a brand new way that you can remodel that is going to help you save time, save money, save stress, and get you the space that you truly love. I know how difficult the remodeling process can be. There are so many materials, so many different styles, so many different brands, and you're not sure where to go. Are you actually going to be able to get the space that you love at a price that you can actually afford? But we totally understand that, and that is why we have our completely free kitchen and bath design services. Our designers understand the process from start to finish. So number one, they will help you get the space you truly love. They're professional designers. They know what looks good, they know what's going to be timeless, and they're going to help you choose things that you're going to love for years to come. Number two, they're going to save you money. They know the products and the materials inside and out. So when you share your budget with them, they're going to be able to guide you to those exact materials, brands, and products that are going to fit your budget best. In remodeling, there are options for every price point, and at the end of the day, you can still get the look that you're going for without having to break the budget to do it. Number three, they're going to save you time and stress. They know this process. They do it every single day. They know how to manage it, and they know what step has to come before the next. They're basically acting as your project manager of your entire remodel process. This is going to save you so much time and a huge headache. If you are really ready to remodel, then there's only one thing you need to do, and that is fill out the form on this page to request your free kitchen or bath design appointment. Your designer is going to work with you one-on-one at 100% no cost to get you the kitchen or bath that you've always dreamed of. So if you're ready to get started, if you're really ready to create a home that you love for you, for your family, a space that you can sell or that you can stay in forever, then go ahead, click the button below, get started, and we can't wait to work with you.